hand over you the question paper, you have to read the script. Use your preparation time effectively to read the script frame, review headings, and pre-analyze the text before the audio begins. So before when they will give you the this script, so yeah, they make an official announcement. You have 1 minute to read the question, or you have 30 seconds, or maybe you have 1 minute 30 seconds to read the question. So use your time effectively, and always read the questions first. And when you are reading the question, so just highlight. Maybe the question is asking you what the nurse is warning about, so just circle the warning. Maybe she is warning about something, or maybe the question say what was the goal of the treatment, so encircle the goals, like you are looking for the goal of the treatment. So read the
हम
question
वहाँ पे
very.
हाईलाइट कर सकते हैं
Yes, you can. आप पेंसिल
एग्जाम
आपके
में भी?
पास? Yes, you can. Yes.
नहीं मैडम, कंप्यूटर पे होगा ना, मेरा तो पेंसिल वाला नहीं है।
Okay, yeah.
उस
So
पे
yeah,
पूछना।
in I think in computer, so yeah, there is no option to highlight. No, not in the computer. So this was, I was talking about paper based. So if you have a paper in front of you, so yeah, you can. But if in computer based, it's not possible. No.
ओके।
Then you have to correct the spelling. So always double check your spelling during the test and clean up your answers at the end. Incorrect spellings can so if you have written the correct answer but spelling is incorrect, so it will be considered wrong. Don't make a spelling mistake. Most of the people, so they find the correct answer, they make the spelling mistake. Please be careful of your spelling. Then identify distractors and signposts. So actively train your ears and pick up qualifying words and transitional signposts such as however, most importantly, and but. So when these words are used, however, importantly, or but, then the idea is changed. So maybe I am talking, I tried multiple options, but physiotherapy was the most effective. So if you are just listening my sentence in the beginning, I tried multiple option, and in the answer there is multiple option, and but I ended up with physiotherapy. So then there is another option, physiotherapy. So after but, my idea is changed. I just considered physiotherapy. So if the person who is not attentive, so he will select that multiple options. But in fact, the answer is physiotherapy. So you have to look for these words. Is this concept clear to you?
जी मैम।
So, like in the audio, we considered every option, but we decided on a mediator. So, so the idea has been changed. Then listen for clinical logic. Always align what you hear with medical logic and expected healthcare protocol. Relying on baseline clinical reasoning will help you ground ambiguous tests. So in listening tests, so there are several aspects. Maybe a patient is speaking to a doctor, or a nurse is speaking to the head nurse is speaking to the team, or a team of doctors, so they are talking to each other, or a medical student is talking to a senior doctor. So always grab the idea of the conversation, like what are they talking about? Are they talking about the any research, or are they talking about any equipment, or are they talking about any audit? So always analyze the tech always analyze what they are talking about. Manage your focus. If you realize it, this is very important part. Many people fail. Why? Because they lose their focus. And if you have lost focus in one question, and so you keep on searching, okay, where I was, and then in meantime you are also losing the next 4 to 5 questions. So it is very important. If you lose your focus, so just leave that question and move to the next one. This is very important point. If you realize you have missed answer, leave it immediately. Flag it mentally, move forward, and preserve your focus to restore your place for the next signpost. This is very important. And many people, they struggle here. So they keep on they keep on thinking, okay, what she was saying, what the audio what was in the audio, and meanwhile, so they have moved to the other text, and so they just lost all answers to all the questions. Okay, so in the listening test, as I explained, so there are three parts, part A, B, and C. So in the part A, there are two extracts. So in each